Alright, got a 93 Warrior here. Gonna install a DRW case saver on it. So far I did a little bit of disassembly just to see what we're working with, where it's got to go in. Most Warriors around this age will have a broken tab, I guess, by the case. If the chain ever came off, it usually breaks one of the mounting holes. So in addition to the case saver, I got the case brace from DRW. I want to thank Weston Rainwater from DRW. I went to go do the order. They had a sale around Christmas time and put everything in the cart, went to go cash out, didn't want to go, shot him a message really quick, found out I guess they don't ship to Canada normally through the website, but he says, oh, no problem dude, whatever, just message me what you want, and sent him a part list. He shot me an invoice, paid him through PayPal, he shipped it over right away. Super nice guy. Not sure if it came with any instructions. I kind of opened it and threw it on the toolbox, and getting to it now like a couple weeks later. I'm not usually one for instructions, but came with a few different size bolts. So what I got apart so far here, I tried to do a quick dry fit just to see what's going on. This is not an official video from DRW or anything. This is just me doing my stuff on my quad. So if anybody's trying to do the same thing, hopefully this may help. So this is normally where they would break. I kind of JB welded some type of nut or bolt insert type thing and painted it, and it looked okay, but I mean, it's not really a case saver at all. And it would have came with that little guy on there just to stop your heel from getting eaten up. So I pulled that off. I pulled the cover off the stator here. And another thing I noticed, you gotta take these two out here. These are your stock bolts there. I don't think you'll be needing those any longer. Off your stator cover, and I noticed we needed to put a bolt and nut on the case saver and case brace there. I probably could have did this while it was on the quad, but I figured this would probably be easier to do it now and tighten it up. And initially I put a nut or a bolt and nut here, and that's not needed because mine still has the tab there. So the bolt I used for that here is this guy here, one of the middle ones. So from what I'm thinking here on my dry fit, long one's gonna go here. I believe it's either this one or this one for this in here. I'll have to see what fits better. And then this little one here will be over here, and then these two would have been used here and here if we didn't have the case brace, but I believe they're going to be spare now. And I used one of the nuts back here, but I believe it comes with another one in case possibly this tab would have been broken off there as well. But mine seems to be okay. Typically they just break up here. To get that guy off and the two bolts there, I used an 8mm, and this quad's been around the block, so I don't know if it's supposed to be an 8mm, but mine was, so yeah, that's what it was. So let me try and stick this on and we'll go from there. Alright, so what I'm going to go with here, I don't know if it's correct, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going from longest. So this is longest, this is longer than this one, and that's a little short stubby there. So each one of these is a different size, and I'm gonna go this way, configuration, see how it goes. I'm pretty sure definitely it's that one there. This is the chunkiest part up there. These two are off just by a bit. I bet you work either way, but I'm gonna go like this and see how it works out. I'll let you know. So yeah, that configuration worked out really well. It all tightened down really nice. It grabbed really good. For the most part, alignment was really good. Also a note, I have an oil cooler installed on this unit, and the case brace did clear it like really well. Weston said, oh yeah, it's designed to work with it, and it is. I was worried about some clearance issues there, which was my initial delay of ordering this. So I got my oil cooler lines that just run up to a cooler up front there. So I'm just going to put my other cover back on and call this job done. It went together really quick, and it is really sturdy. Seems to be well made, and let me just put the cover on. Alright, all back together again. Looks great, way better looking than that thing. And now if I have a case, a chain fail, it's not going to affect the case. And I got 2 leftover bolts with 2 washers and 1 nut. I'm just going to put those in a baggie with my other stock bolts for the stator cover, just in case anything ever happens in terms of a different configuration with this machine. It's nice to have that kind of stuff. I torqued them to about 3 to 8 ugga-duggas, you know, so pretty technical there. And thanks a lot. DRW Performance. And no install is complete without putting on the sticker. And that looks pretty damn good there. I think that's what this quad was missing. Hell yeah. Nice and toasty this winter. Heated grips, baby.